Good morning, everyone. Today I'll show you in a quick video how to add dynamic stuff to Excel meshes. So I'm going to skip the Blender part because it's always the same. So you just export it the way you used to and stuff. And all the dynamic stuff really happens in Unity. What you're going to need is this specific version, this Unity 2019.3.15f1, and you want to make sure it's that version because Dynamics or the Claude add thingy, it doesn't work anymore on later versions. Okay, so I'll make a quick new map or folder and then add one of the, wait, let me just try to find some stuff. So I'll go in here, might search for let me try to find some shorts. Yeah, okay, you know what? Let me just redo this one as an example. I'll do it on shorts, but you can then. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll do this one. My god. I'll just drag this one in. So I'll do some shorts today. So you make a new object, you rename it. So you extract the material as always. Pretty basic stuff. You drag this in here, make the prefab. Okay. So now you have your shorts. I'll quickly remove the normal map because I am not using that one until I apply the cloth. So you want to add the cloth first and then add the normal. So you do the basic stuff, you make it double-sided, turn the smoothness down and stuff. Okay, so then you can close this tab and you want to add cloth. So as you can see, nothing really changed. And if I click this, there are dots that appear. Now, these dots are all on the floor, and that's not what we want. So what we are going to do is, we are going to go out of our prefab, click layout, save our layout as what we wanted, and then we are going to the default layout. Now I'm going back to the folder where I put the shorts. I open it up again, and then when I click this, the dots appear on the model. So now I'm going to reduce the constraint size so that they are visible. And as we can see now, we have the dots. Okay, so if we're talking shorts and pants and stuff, you can stay around like the same values. And I'll start with explaining the values from 0. 0 means, so a value of 0, if I select this and I put the max distance to 0, 0 or red means this part won't move. So whatever you do with it, if one of these is red, it means it's stationary, it won't move. So if I select all these, I put the max distance to 0, this means it won't move. Also, applying cloth to a mesh will make your PC run heavy, because it's pretty heavy to do, I think. But yeah, as long as you work with low poly meshes. Oh, damn it. I forgot to put the max distance. No, okay, but it's whatever. As long as you work with low poly meshes, you should be good. It shouldn't be too laggy. Only when you start working with hair and very high poly models, your PC will get really heated and maybe in trouble. So, what I always do is set the max distance to 0 for everything. So this means it won't move whatsoever. Then I'm going to go to the paint section. And for pants, let me check it real quick. You always want to stay around. Let me check my ES pants. So these are the ES pants I did. So the lowest value I went here was 0.02. So 0.02 is like it moves, but it doesn't move. It moves quite a bit, but not too much. So it's 0.02. That makes it already move quite a bit. It's a lot of playing with values and seeing what you like the most and stuff. So it's all up to you guys. I'm just here to explain it a bit. So I lower my brush size as well, so I can like select multiple dots in one time without selecting all of them. So I'll go with 0.02 just, and then I'll just start coloring. This is pretty boring, I know, but it is a part of the cloth simulation. Make sure you color these ones that are inside as well, because sometimes if you don't color those, then your mesh will do like weird stuff. If you can't color them, you can just select these and then put it to 0.02 and then just color. It's a lot of coloring. It's like a child play, just coloring dots, but it's part of it. So make sure you go over every single dot. Make sure you color them all. Put it to 0.02. So yeah, just go around and mess with it. Like I'll do it on the simple way, how I like to do it, and just put it kind of outlined, and then select this area of the shorts and put it to 0.02. So now I have this part. Okay, that's good. And then I'll turn the pants around and then try to imagine a bit where I colored the dots. Put it to 0.02 as well. And then, as we can see, I've successfully lined them up pretty okay. I'll just do this one extra row over here. So yeah, okay, I see there's some, oh, oops, my bad. Are there some black dots or am I blind? Okay, no, yeah, no black dots. Okay, so this is my bottom layer between brackets, not really a layer, it's just the bottom of the pants. Now, so this is like, I know, a fair amount of movement, but this simulate like real movement, you want to like work your way down to 0. So now I'm at 0.02. The next layer I'll do will like be these, and I'll just put it to 0.01. You'll see this changes to like kind of salmon color orange. This indicates that it doesn't it moves because it isn't red, it isn't 0, but it moves less than the green. So the green is always the part where it will move the most. So just as before, start coloring the dots. You want to start coloring the dots like this. Pretty easy. Whoops, back again. So we left off just coloring this stuff. So I wanted to color these ones on the far. Oh, god damn it. But yeah. So the next part is just coloring. So I'll just do this quick stuff. It's just to show I won't export it to get it in game, so sometimes you need to like redo some stuff because you accidentally clicked somewhere else, like here. But yeah, this is just a lot of child stuff, just coloring, easy peasy. So yeah, now that I've like colored layers of the pants, you can see this will move. Now, if I click on play, you can see I will probably appear in like the hierarchy. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Let me try and make these all invisible. So, as we now can see, we just have the shorts. If I click play, oh my god, why does it load all of those? Now hopefully, yeah, I can even zoom out. Yeah, I'll just show you guys in game, but this is like, so you saw it, it moved a bit. But anyway, so now we have like one row of 0.02, one row of 0.01. If you want to go in detail, you can do like 0.005 here to get it more simulated. But this is like the very basic. Then there's two more important things. You want to put the bending stiffness to 0.2, and you want to put the world acceleration scale to 0.1. This gives it the right amount of movement. If you put the world acceleration scale on 1, it will fly everywhere. Super bad. If you put it to 0.01, much better. So, let me go over the steps real quick. First of all, I just put everything red. Make sure you don't have any single black dot anymore. Make sure everything's red. And then you start from the bottom on, and then you just go your way up. Imagine you have like pants, you want that move good around the ankle, and then a less bit around the shin, and then at the knee height you want them to move a bit more. You go green, and then you go salmon, orange, and then you go maybe green again, or like between green and orange. So that's how I do it. And then before exporting, make sure everything's correct like the usual, and make sure bending stiffness 0.02 and world acceleration scale 0.01. I haven't really played too much with these values, but these are the best ones that work. So yeah. Then if your asset bundle has disappeared, you go to Window, Asset Bundle Browser, drag it in again where it belongs. Wait, it's pretty big here. Drag it in where it belongs. And yeah, you can also add the normal map after. But yeah, you drag the normal in here. You guys already know that. And then it's the same. You say AR shorts moving. Put this in here. You put this in here. You put this in here. Oh, and of course, don't forget to do your component if it's for 1.1 or 1.2. Doesn't matter. You do it like you're used to. Alpha masks work, everything. It's just this cloth component that really matters. This right thing is for collision, but I haven't messed with it, and it's pretty hard because the game doesn't allow collision to happen. But yeah, this was a small tutorial for dynamics. If you need any help, just message me, and I'll try to work on it for you guys and help you guys out. Okay, thanks, peace.